This is Britta from Mindart.dk, and I am back with another hashtag mixed media artist collab. And this time I will finish the other half of this page. I am already started painting with these colors, so I will continue with this. And this is Maganesee Blue, it is Oixed Red, it is Vermilion Red, and this is Titan Buff, and this is Dairylide Yellow, and it is Black Gesso and White, Titanium White and Matte Medium. Let's get started. As usual, I am mixing my colors myself. I love to mix. I always try to mix colors just for the fun of it, not because I don't have a portrait pink, or it is called portrait pink. I don't know about you, but when I paint, I just forget everything around me, and I just enjoy the process. And if you have any questions, so please ask me in the info box below. Or in the comments, of course. And if you haven't done so already, so please subscribe to my channel and like and comment, of course. And for the next link in this hub, you can find the next link in the info box below too. Yes, I will see you later. Have fun. If you know me, you know I always put on a lot of layers, and I change my opinion as I go. I don't stay with the thing I just made out if I suddenly see another way. And that's how it is. And maybe you don't know, but this is what I prefer to paint instead of beautiful. And I like this. You can't say not as beautiful page, but I think she's beautiful, so it would not be correct. Already I think she is beautiful. That's what I meant. I think I'll have to move this so I can look a little over here. Not that it has to be the same, but to make it cohesive, if you get my drift. And also it is a different kind of paint I have used for this one than the last one. I think that was golden I used here, and fluid, golden fluid, that is. And there's a lot of layers on this one. I don't know if I will do this yet on this. It looks like I'm in a hurry, and somehow I am, because I really want to take my walk before it gets too dark outside. But that's just the way it is. And if I don't, and if it's not gonna happen, then it's not gonna happen. But I know I will be so pleased if I do it. And sometimes I just have to choose what to do because of the lights, and I'm sure you all get that. when I do this kind of art, I don't care if it is where the light is or where it is not. I just paint it as I think is looking good. Just a little more Dairylide Yellow. I think it is too noisy over here, so I will paint this over again. I don't want it to be that noisy. This time I want it to be more calm. So this will have to go. Oh, I like it much more now. Because the yellow is not quite opaque, it is peeping through the paint. I don't mind that, but I can solve it with some titanium white, and I will do that, of course. This is titanium white with the yellow, and it also make the yellow a little more dull was the word I thought about, but maybe it is a little more pastels or a light yellow. I think I used carbon black, and I will do that again because her hair is a little dull because I used gesso, black gesso. So I will use a little carbon black to paint on her hair, just to make it more shiny as the rest of the piece is. Okay, she looks a little unhappy, and I think it is the help is near, and she is comforting him and want her to go to a place where she can feel safe. But I don't mind when it is not looking happy. I know some of you do, but I don't. I think everything is a part of our development and make us grow and become resilient and empathic personalities. But this is how she is. I hope you like her anyway and that you have been inspired by this. I enjoyed painting this very much. And I hope you like it, and if you do, please like and comment in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell, and you will get notified whenever I put up a new video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to click the other links in this collaboration in the info box below. Bye for now. It has been fun this time too.